Welcome back to Game School. Game again?
10 more games to win.
I've been playing for 25 hours. So tired of studying. Everyone is so hardworking. You need to win like this to win the show. What's my life? Shall I? Time to check your homework. I'll measure your dark eye circles to see who played the most games.
I played games for 20 hours.
Medium size. Good. Next, Smarty. Smarty, you are always the most hardworking student. Shall I? You are lying! Follow to J Game School.